Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your free market update. Okay, on the 20th of March 2022, I put 10 grand into a trading account for the Day Trading Academy challenge. Leading up to the Day Trading Academy, we started a brand new Day Trading Academy. So I put 10 grand into a trading account and it's up now as, let's just see where we are, on the 23rd of May, which was yesterday. We're up at 24,225. That's on top of the 10,000, guys. Okay, so steady equity curve, pushed up, a couple of hairy days along the way, but otherwise, you know, we're pushing higher and going in the right direction. So 24,225, so we're up at 34,225 pounds in that account now in just around 2 months. Of course, you know, there's only 5 trading days in the month, so we're talking about 20 trading days per month. Now, I'm hitting 75% win rate, which is okay. I really should be getting that up to 83%, guys. But it still proves that you can make money on 75% win rate, which is key. Win-loss ratio 2.45. So let's just dive into the sort of thing that I'm doing. One strategy in particular that I do like to do, and it's great to do this in the FX markets. Let's dive into a trade now. Okay, so I'm in a trade on the euro dollar. I've shorted at £10 a point. It's up 100 quid here. In fact, it was losing money just a moment ago before I started the video. Now we've just pushed into some nice profit. Now you can see, now there is a caveat here. I would not do this in stocks. In individual stocks, I would never trade divergences. In the FX market, it is prime for divergence trades. This is one particular strategy that I do enjoy doing. You can see the peaks on the storyteller as the pro trend system gives us a buy. We never buy here. We look to do something else, and then we get new buy signals all the way up here, and then we get a new buy signal here, and we get a peak in the market. Now the storyteller here starts to flash yellow line. Once that yellow line comes into play, then I'm looking for a short signal. So I've been in this trade already this morning for a nice profit in this move here down to here. Now I've just re-entered. Now the key here is seeing what the bigger picture is. The bigger picture on the hourly is a massive divergence. Okay, excuse me. You see here we've got this huge, great big divergence going on here. So I like to drill down to even smaller time frames. So when I get down to the time frame like the 5 minutes, I get a nice red pro trend system confirm the signal. And then I'm looking then to get into the trade, stop above where the pro trend system says here 107.22, looking for profit target 106.99. So I'm very much automated in my trading. I look for the bigger picture. I look for what the hourly chart's doing on my day trading stuff. If I was trading off of the swing trade charts, I would be looking at the monthly time frame. So I'm always looking at the bigger time frame here. And then I'm drilling down for a precision entry, okay, which is great. All you got to do is just look for those trades. Now, the question I get a lot is, how do you find these trades? Well, I use a screener or I use our artificial intelligence, which is our Trading College bot. So if I drag it over here, here is a screenshot of our trading bot here, and you can see I'm using it for 2 wave divergences on the 60-minute chart. Balance, it started with £10,000, it's up now 10,344. Now these are the signals that are coming through to me, and I'm basically just then getting the signals on my phone, and then I'm going to my live account, trading it to the direction it wants to go. So it's really easy. You get in your actual signals done for you. You set it up whatever time frame you want. You might want to do it on the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour or the weekly chart. You receive all those signals when they set up. You don't even have to look for them. And then once you receive that signal, you can go over and start trading in that direction. It just makes life so much easier for myself and all of our students. All right. So let's see how this trade gets on, guys. I'm looking for more downside on those pro trend system targets, but there's a little snapshot into that trading account, which the challenge trading account for the Day Trading Academy, and also how I'm doing some of these trades. This is against the overall move here this morning, but it's a divergence play, and it's at the top of this move, and we're looking for a much deeper downside. Just like this trade here this morning, which was an absolute gem. It really was. This is where the bot comes in, very handy indeed. You can see pound Canadian dollar peaked, new high, big 1, 2, 3, 4 lower highs. FX market, it is great for those type of trades, guys, in the FX market. And the reason I think is because people, as I said on the video previously, they're buying the highs. It's easy to buy the highs. What's easy is actually very hard for their trading account. And so if they're buying the highs here for a breakout trade, which is probably the worst trading strategy in the FX market, in my opinion, because I'm doing things like this. I'm shorting as they buy the breakout. But you can see here, look at this reversal. We were in this trade this morning. We run it to downside. Nice profits indeed. Hope it helps. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really does help, guys. And I'll be doing more live trades and showing you exactly on the next video. We'll probably do something going with the overall trend. I'll show you how to get into those trades as well. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon.